What's up, you guys? Hope everyone is doing fine. My name is Gauresh, and here I am back again making videos for you guys. As you guys must have seen from last 4 to 5 months, I have stopped making penny stocks videos. There's a reason for that because I have stopped investing into penny stocks and I have started investing into the cryptocurrency market now. There are lots of developments that are going on, and I would like you guys also to know what developments are those. And from today I'll be making videos on the cryptocurrency market, so let's get started on that. If you guys are following Bitcoin, or if you guys are following any other cryptocurrency, then you guys must already be knowing that there's a country named as El Salvador which has already accepted Bitcoin as their legal tender. That means they have already started Bitcoin as a digital currency for their day-to-day activities. Now here is another country, Argentina, which may also adopt Bitcoin to curb inflation. This news came out 2 days ago. Let's see what the country's president is saying. In an interview on Caja Negra YouTube channel, President Alberto Fernandez made several comments regarding cryptocurrencies, suggesting that the country is open to integrating them into its financial system. In the video, Fernandez shared his outlook on cryptocurrencies, saying that their rise was irreversible and that crypto has the potential to nullify inflation. When asked if the country might adopt a central bank digital currency or even make Bitcoin legal tender, Fernandez said there is no reason to say no. This shows that countries are piling up into Bitcoin, and this is just the second country that will be adopting Bitcoin after El Salvador. There are many more countries that will be coming into this race, and once that happens, Bitcoin and the whole cryptocurrency market will boom. So this was the first news on Bitcoin which no one is talking about. That's why I wanted you guys to know about this. This is just the first news. Now let's get on to the second news. The second news tells us that wealth managers are gaining exposure to Bitcoin via grayscale, according to new SEC filings. New filings with the United States Security and Exchange Commission or SEC reveal that 4 wealth management companies have acquired shares of Grayscale Bitcoin Investment Trust, offering further evidence of institutional adoption of digital assets. Let's see which these 4 companies are. Clear Perspective Advisors, an Illinois-based wealth manager, revealed direct ownership of 7,790 GBTC shares on Friday. This is the first company. The second company, Ohio-based Encore Advisors, scooped up 13,945 shares of GBTC as of June 30. While that's a small position for the multi-billion-dollar asset manager, it reflects an important strategic move given that the company has a long-term investment perspective. This shows us that the wealth managers are just putting their feet into water. They are just getting the taste of how it is to be invested into the Bitcoin's ETFs. Since Bitcoin is largely volatile, these ETFs are not that volatile. So they are just getting the taste of it, and they'll be investing slowly and steadily into Bitcoin. The third company is Boston Private Wealth, which had previously reported 88,189 GBTC shares as of March 31st, increased its exposure to 103,469 shares. This shows that they are increasing their exposure to Bitcoin. They are getting into it slowly and steadily. Ohio-based manager, the fourth company, Parkwood, boasted its holding to 125,000 shares from 93,000 at the end of March. And this is the last company. As Cointelegraph reported, tech giant Intel recently disclosed a sizable position in Coinbase stock, which provides direct exposure to the digital currency market. So if they are not getting into the ETFs, then they are getting into the stock market by investing into stocks like Coinbase or PayPal or Tesla or any other company which are holding Bitcoins largely on their balance sheets. So this tells us that wealth managers are also getting involved into Bitcoin, or by filing into their ETFs or gaining exposure to the stocks. This is the second news. Now let's get on to third news. Now let's see what is happening with the Bitcoin mining community. The owners of several nuclear power plants, including two in Pennsylvania, have formed ventures with cryptocurrency companies to provide the electricity needed to run computer centers that mine Bitcoin. Wow, that's a good news. Now Bitcoin will be mined using nuclear power plants. That's awesome. Since nuclear energy does not emit greenhouse gases, the project's investors say the zero carbon Bitcoin would address climate concerns that have tarnished the energy intensive cryptocurrency industry. As Bitcoin is a energy intensive process, since it has to run powerful computers for mining operations of Bitcoin, it needs a lot of energy. That was the reason why China shut down its operations by making a law that no Bitcoin can be mined in China. That's why miners from China came to North America in search of cheap electricity. Now, because of nuclear power plants in Pennsylvania, projects like this, the Bitcoin price and the cryptocurrency market will boom in future. Since because the nuclear power plants does not create any greenhouse gases, that's a green Bitcoin mining. Now let's see which companies are doing that. Talon Energy, the owner of Susquehanna Steam Electric Station near Berwick, Pennsylvania, announced this week that it has signed a deal with TerraWolf Inc., a Eastern Maryland cryptocurrency mining firm, to build a giant Bitcoin factory next to its twin reactors in northern Pennsylvania. Talon's project would eventually use up to 300 megawatts or 12% of Susquehanna's 2500 megawatts capacity. That's cool. Now let's see what is the second company that is doing. Last month, there was a company named as Energy Harbor Corp, the former power generation subsidiary of First Energy Corp, announced it signed a 5-year agreement to provide zero carbon electricity to a new Bitcoin mining center operated by Standard Power in Coshocton, Ohio. This is the second news regarding nuclear power for Bitcoin mining. Now let's see what is the third news. A nuclear fission startup Oklo also announced last month it signed a 20-year deal with a Bitcoin miner to supply it with power, though the company has not yet built a power plant. These are the developments that are going on in the Bitcoin mining community. So you can see why I think this will be the future, because there are lots of developments that are happening. Now this is the last and the most interesting part of this video. Soccer superstar Lionel Messi gets part of his contract paid in cryptocurrency. Lionel Messi, the Argentinian soccer superstar, has opted to receive cryptocurrency as part of his new contract signed with the French club Paris Saint-Germain. The club revealed that the player will receive crypto as part of his $30 million payment as a welcome package given to the player. The proportion of the crypto stack in his payment was not disclosed, but the club stated it was a significant portion. That's cool, because now big superstars are getting paid in cryptocurrencies, and people who are following them will also try to get paid in cryptocurrencies, because that is the trend. That has always been like that. So this is just the start of the cryptocurrency market and the blockchain technology. So please get invested into the cryptocurrencies. There are lots of cryptocurrencies, but the main two are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you can just put some amount from your paycheck per month and from your each paycheck, so that you get exposed to the cryptocurrency market and you get a taste of it. Do not go all in. As per my knowledge, do not go all in, and please, this is not a financial advice. If you are not okay with the volatility, then please don't get invested into the cryptocurrency market, because it is very risky but it gives you lots of returns. And if you can see from the previous history of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency, it has just been going up. So it is a hedge to inflation. So please keep that in mind. And if you like my videos, if you like the content that I am providing, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching guys, and have a great day.